In today's video, we're diving into a problem that might ring a bell for some of you tech enthusiasts out there. So, picture this. You've got this text field in your SwiftUI app, and you want a text to be automatically transformed to uppercase as you type. Sounds straightforward, right? Well, it turns out that making this happen seamlessly without any extra fuss is not as simple as it seems. The text field shows a different behavior compared to what we might expect, and that's where our challenge lies. Now, let's jump straight into the solution that we're exploring today. In the sample code provided, we have a content view struct that contains a state variable named text initialized with the string foo. This text variable is then passed as a binding to a TextDisplay view. The catch here is that the TextDisplay view is not actually utilizing the binding to display the text as it seems like it should. It's just showcasing a static text. I'm not using the binding at all. This discrepancy between the expected behavior and the actual implementation is key to understanding why our initial approach may not work as intended. Expanding on our solution, let's take a closer look at the TextDisplay struct itself. Inside TextDisplay, we have a binding variable text of type string that is seemingly supposed to be employed for displaying content. However, what we find is that the text displayed is hard-coded, so I'm not using the binding at all, instead of dynamically reflecting the value passed through the binding. This discrepancy sheds light on the intricacies of SwiftUI's implementation, hinting at why our initial strategy might encounter unexpected roadblocks when applied. To wrap things up, we've delved into the nuances of TextField behavior in SwiftUI and how it doesn't always sync up with our expectations, causing our initial approach to fall short. By dissecting the provided code snippets and unraveling the underlying mechanics at play, we've gained valuable insights into SwiftUI's workings and why achieving uppercase text input in real time might not be as straightforward as it appears. And with that, folks, it's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like this video, and drop a witty comment below. Until next time, happy coding,